Hello, beloved. Welcome and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be talking about meditation and affirmations, their differences, how to use them, and how to create affirmations that work. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of both techniques and how to use them for personal growth and transformation. What is meditation? Meditation is the practice of focusing your mind on a specific object or thought with the goal of achieving a sense of calm and mental clarity. Meditation has been practiced for centuries and has many benefits such as reducing stress and anxiety, improving sleep, and increasing focus. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself with the goal of changing your thought patterns and beliefs. By consistently repeating positive statements, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to believe them. But there's a catch. Affirmations work best when you focus not just on what you want to believe, but on the feeling of what you want to become. We'll get to more on that in a moment. Right now, let's talk about the differences between meditation and affirmations. While both meditation and affirmations can be used to improve mental well-being, they have different approaches. Meditation is a practice that involves focusing or clearing your mind by using a combination of mental and physical techniques. Depending on the type of meditation you choose, you can meditate to relax, reduce anxiety and stress, and more. Affirmations involve developing a habit of repeating positive statements to yourself to transform areas of your life. Meditation can be used at any time when you need to calm your mind and reduce stress. A consistent meditation practice can help with increased focus during affirmation sessions, especially if you're working on transforming a feedback loop of negative thoughts into a stream of intentional, creative thought. In this way, meditation can be used as a tool to help develop positive self-speak and align you with your desired goals. Affirmations can be used when you want to change negative thought patterns and beliefs. For example, if you struggle with low self-esteem, affirmations can help you develop a more positive self-image. So, why do affirmations work for some and not others? To explore this, let's talk about the law of gravity. The law of gravity states that all objects attract each other with a force of gravitational attraction. Gravity is universal. It happens whether we think about it, how it works, or not. We simply trust that we're not going to float away. Affirmations work to reprogram the subconscious mind. The thoughts and beliefs we consistently hold in our conscious mind are eventually accepted by the subconscious as truth. Similar to how the law of gravity works, there's nothing you need to do to make this process work. However, when you begin an affirmation practice, it can be difficult to believe the positive statements you're using. If affirmations haven't worked for you in the past, pair it with visualization and focus on the feeling of what you want to achieve, experience, or become. Ask yourself, what does it feel like to have it? Say your affirmations as if they have already happened, as if it already exists. In the next video, we'll be incorporating affirmations into your daily practice. We'll learn how to create personalized affirmations and guide you through examples of how to use visualization and feelings to create a transformative affirmation practice. In conclusion, meditation and affirmations are both powerful practices that can lead to transformation and improve mental well-being. While they have different approaches, they can be used together to create a well-rounded practice. Next, we'll talk about creating affirmations that work for you and how to incorporate them into your daily practice to see the best results. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.